How to download and install Google Gemini. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talk. If you are looking for what to download Google Gemini, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Now here on bottom of your screen you will find different options. So on bottom middle you will find the search icon, so tap on it. Again on top of your screen you will find the search box, so tap on it and then search for Gemini. So simply type Gemini and then search for it. And here on your screen you will find Google Gemini, so tap on it. Now simply click on install. And within few seconds, depending upon your internet speed, Gemini will be successfully downloaded on a device. And once downloaded, simply tap on open. And now you can start a conversation with Gemini. So this is how you can download and install Gemini on a device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.